Welcome, fifth grade mathematicians. This is Mr. Silman. I hope you're having a great evening, and I hope your brain is inside your head for some wonderful math. So lesson 1.5 is all about input-output tables. You have done this the last probably first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, and now fifth grade we add. It's just a little bit harder each year you go. So if you remember, we have an input side, which is right here. And we have an output side, which is right here. There's also a rule that is right on top, usually in orange. Usually it's kind of across both the input and the output. So you have to follow the rule. So if 0 goes in, what comes out? So you actually have 0 plus 3 equals 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Yeah, let's go ahead and write that in there. 12. Oh, that's not bad. All right. Nice job. So let's complete each table. Ready? I want you to check your work at home. You could actually make these right here. You could pause the video, make your own, try it, see how smart you actually are, and then unpause it and let's check your answers. Okay? Pause right now if you want. Okay, welcome back. We are going to solve these. So we have an input of 1, 2, blank, 4, 5. Our rule is 8. We have an output of 9, blank, 11, blank, 13. So let's check our work. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Something plus 8 equals 11. I'm guessing that's going to be 3. 4 plus 8 equals 12. And then if you look at number 2, we have 0 times 5. 0. Let's check all these. Even though these are filled in, let's check. 6 times 5 is 30. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. Something times 5 is 20. Now think real hard. You got it. It is 4. Let's scroll down a little bit more. Uh-oh, this time there's no rule. Where's our rule? Now we got to figure out what's going on. So we have to play detective. 0 and nothing, huh? So we have 2 goes in, out comes 8. How do we get from 2 to 8? Well, we could add 6. We could multiply by 4. Let's just check. Let's check number 3. 3 plus 6 is 12. Nope. 3 times 4 is 12. Yes. Let's check. 4 times 4 is 16. Yep. 0 times 4 is 0. Something times 4. So we can put times. That's actually times 4. I apologize for my penmanship. 6 times 4 is 24. Nice. Uh-oh, no rule over here. Let's look. So no rule. We got to get from 7 to 14 and 15 to 22 and 11 to 8. Well, I know this is times 2, but times 2 doesn't work down here. So we need to think of something else. We could, let's see, 7 plus 7 is 14. Let's check. 15 plus 7 is 22. Yes. 11 plus 7 is 18. Yep. Our rule is plus 7. So if that's true, 2 plus 7 is 9. Something plus 7 is 10. That is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. Nice job. Okay, and we can check. And notice down here, I want to point this out to you too so you have it. You can check out your answers, which is great. We have all of these correct, which is awesome. But we need to write the equation too. This right here is an I. I for input. I for input. So this is I plus 8 equals O for output. O for output. I for input. I for input. O for output. That's how they write it. So this is I times 5 equals O. That's the equation for this right here. Okay? So if we look, output equals input plus 1. So output equals input 1. Here's our rule, plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Nice. Answer this question for me. Is the rule output equals input plus 1 true for each number pair in this table? Yeah, this is true. It's all true. Yep, that all works out. No problem at all. Okay? Now, instead of the words input and output, they have I and O. It's the same thing. They're just using I and O. Okay? Is this all the same as well? Absolutely. It's all the same. Okay? Now we take it a step further. Ready? We are going to talk about a variable. A variable is a letter that is used to represent an unknown number. So we don't know what it is. So we can say that any letter can be used as a number. And this is algebra. So this is pretty good stuff. All right, so let's look at this. Number of days late. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Late fee is F. So we have 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. The rule in words, let's make this just a little bit bigger. The rule in words might be something, the equation, let's see. So we're going to say F equals D plus 10. Sorry, D times 10. D times 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. The rule in words, you'd have late fee. Just trust me, I'm not going to spell this. Ready? Late fee equals number of days late times 10. Late fee equals number of days late times 10. Okay? Let's try another one. We have some gaps here. We can look for patterns. Blank 1, blank 3, 4, 5. I know this is 2 just by the pattern. I also know this. 2, 4, 6, blank 10. If you're a mathematician, which I know you are, you know that this answer is 8. Okay? So, what's the equation? W equals B times 2. Wheels equals bicycles times 2. That's the rule in words. So you would actually write down the word wheels equals bicycles times 2. Down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9. You are correct. 12, 15. Equation would be W, which is right here, equals T times 3. Wheels equals tricycles times 3. Okay? I want you to try number 8 and number 9 by yourself. See what you come up with. See what you come up with. Go ahead and pause the video right now. Welcome back. Let's check your answers. We have these and those, and you could use those charts. This is how they're spread out. Okay? But here are the answers, okay? So I want you to check these out and see how you did. All right, you can see that we were right when we did 6 and 7 together. We were correct. Okay. Number 8, cost in dollars equals 7 times the number of tickets. So D equals 7 times T. You might not see the time sign here, but when you have a number and a letter right next door to each other, that means multiplication. Okay, and you can see down here for number 9, 1 inch of rain equals 10 inches of snow. 1 inch of rain equals 10 inches of snow. You could also have something like snow equals 10 times the number of inches of rain, something like that. Okay, tomorrow we will work on 1.5. We will work on that in class and make sure that you know how to do these problems here. And don't forget, these also, the more you practice your facts, the better you're going to be. Okay, so keep practicing these and we will grade them tomorrow. We'll kind of go through them. Okay, have a great evening and I will see you tomorrow for math class.